today we are going to test some local models with open code. And the idea is that we are going to we will try to make some app or maybe one app with these local models which we have right now here. Qwen 3.6 27B. This is an MLX format. Okay, MLX model. We have Qwen 3.6 35B A3B. This is a mixture of expert model and it is also a 4-bit MLX model. We have Gemma 4, okay, 12B, but this is a GGUF model. This is not an MLX model, all right. Then we have Gemma 4 26B. Okay, this is a Q80 model. Okay, this means it's a quantized aware trained model. Okay, and then we have Qwen 3 coder 30B, and we have GPT-OSS, the OG 20B model. Now, the thing is that what we are going to do, we are going to, we will be trying to make an app, okay, a production level app with this, local LLM, local models. So I have open code open, and you can see all the local model are here. You can see LM Studio local, and you can see all the local models are here. Now we will choose one model and we will start, coding or planning to make an app. So that's the whole idea. And I have tested, MLX last time on Xcode. It worked fantastic. I tried Gemma 4 and also Qwen on Xcode, and it really worked very good. So right now what I'm trying to do is I will be testing these models on open code, and let's see how it works. Okay, main important thing what I need to tell you is that, so my MacBook here is an M5 and I have 32 gig of RAM, okay, which is an unified memory. So I have this activity monitor already opened out here, you guys can see, and it's already consumed 15 GB of memory because I have OBX running here, which is currently streaming. And you can see OBX Studio is already is taking around 2 GB of RAM, and there are other things also, all right, but I think if we load a model, it will be just fine. So let's not get delayed. So I have this monitor open. This is the developer console of LM Studio, which is open right now, and this is Xcode. Open code, and let us try with Gemma 4 24B. This is active 4-bit model, and let us try to ask like what we're going to make, okay, because I want to make a production level, production ready app with this, where we can which actually can do some real life or real world work, right? So we'll be trying to do that, and help me create an app which will be useful, and I can earn from that. Think about it. Okay, so it's a very small model, 26B, and also it's a 4-bit quantized model, but it's a Q80 model, all right? So quantized aware trained model. So I am asking it to think about it, and let's plan it, okay? Let's plan it. So you can see the model is loading right now on the LM Studio, and you can see my activity monitor. It's currently at 26, 27, 28. Okay, I don't want this laptop to get crashed anytime soon. Okay, it's on 27, 28 uh GB, 29 GB, okay, of memory, and it's already started. Oh my God, it's already started, giving the answers. Okay, this is very good. Not bad. Based on some profitable useful apps, SaaS, AI product. Okay. Before suggesting anything, I would need to know about the user, critical speed, blah 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 blah. And then finance and productivity education. Hmm. It's actually quite fast. I did not expect. I did not expected this. Okay, so I did not expect this. So it is very fast. It is giving all the answers. And while we have 32 GB of unified memory, 27, 28 GB is getting used. So we have around, uh, approximately 4, 5 GB of memory there. But, it's doing very well right now. You can see it's already given the plan. And think about it. Okay, do you give a subscriber model paper, use model, blah, blah, blah. What language framework are you comfortable on? So it actually asks me so many questions. Ah, hmm. It will probably useful. Start technical expertise, what language framework, interest, when do you have any interest specific in the content? Developer tool, e-commerce, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's what? Okay, think about productivity app. A productivity app, web based. Okay, and for technical technicality, you decide React. I'm not React. Okay, you decide. Okay, and okay, so I'm not giving a commitment level out here. Uh, for monetization, I will use Google Ads later. So for now, plan the app. Okay, it's planning the app. Plan the app, and it's actually doing very good. It's generating tokens super fast. I'm just hitting enter and it's going on instantly. This is something finding very weird, and the memory is still at 26 GB. So basically, yeah, I think the KB cache or whatsoever are in the SSD, not in this uh, RAM or unified memory. So which is free right now, I think. And also, if you have any queries or any question, if you want to help me with the, you know, with this thing, this uh, whole coding thing, or if you have any uh, idea, you can share on the comment down below. That would be very much appreciated. So, I won't be feeling that I'm here, alone talking. And even though if I'm here alone talking, that's also fine. That's what I do. But do comment down below. What do you think? Like what we shall do? If you have any idea, if you share any kind of idea with me, that would be great. Because honestly, I'm not understanding the whole idea. Let it get refined a little bit. And you can see the AI is just generating things super fast. So Yeah, I'm just fine with all this, super fastness. Even though my Claude do not give, this kind of fast answers. So I'm cool, I'm happy with it. A small model, so it can hallucinate. All right. So that is one chance. There's a big chance it can hallucinate. So I'm keeping an eye on it and still, processing the prompt. Okay, it's generated. UI for setting is now complete. I'll check for error one last time. Okay. So it says, where's the file? Where are the files? We can only see the exercise to implement home module, which will be input field big goal. Okay. It says that it generated the files, but I cannot see the files, which is uh, weird. Which is weird. Uh, okay, yeah. Data provider module. Yeah, the lot it generated a lot of pages. Okay, so continue. Okay, oh no, okay. I think it is somehow getting the memory. No, it is trying to compact the memory, the RAM, not hitting it badly. And you can see the token generation is around, yeah, 40 tokens per second, which is very good. And this is fast because we are using a A4B model of Gemma 4. Okay, main dot home, this home controller, this home view. I would like to see like how the app is looking. So I want to implement AI services right now. Home view, AI services, data model. Let's see what it makes. You can see this node. Okay, this node you can see here. Basically, this is the AI model which loaded on our RAM, which is around 18 GB. And remaining, I'm using OBX Studio, which is around 2 GB of RAM getting used on that. See, and there's LM Studio, and there are other processes which are going on. I don't know why we have Google Chrome running here. This is very absurd. I am just quitting Google Chrome. It's good. Yeah, the bindings are good. The root is good. Okay, deep purple amber is a basic theme of Flutter, but let's see what it makes. We can always ask it to modify. It is. I don't think it's hallucinating yet. Hmm. Guys, like, please drop down something in comment, that would be uh helping a lot. We can always chat, we can always talk. If you comment down below and want to help me with this, that would be extremely appreciated. It can be a little boring because I'm just doing this live, so you can have an idea how much time it takes for me to test this AI models. And yeah, for that you can subscribe me. That would be awesome. And yeah, it takes too much time. It takes time, so you have to hold on. Yeah, that was big speed, by the way. So it already okay, guys, see here, it already saw an error and it understood the error. And I think it's an error from the open code itself, so it's trying to fix it. I think it will take a lot of time to to do this, test these models. I would suggest you guys, if you guys are watching on this uh, short mode, like in the vertical mode, please go to the full screen mode. You can see the whole screen where okay, completed work, AI services, Atomista, blah 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 blah, API key, security device, general task list. Currently tasks disappear when app is closed. We should implement Firebase file store, resync. Implement Firebase now. No. Okay. Polish. Make the UI better. Uh, put a splash screen. And what else? Splash screen and run the app. Then it's not ask it to run the app on simulator. Let me run the app on simulator, right? Right? Okay, so it's on here. Okay, I know the folder. I know the folder. I know the folder. Where is the folder? Okay, so desktop, the folder, atomic flow, and we can open this folder on uh, VS Code. Shall we open VS Code? We have VS Code. Okay, let us open this on VS Code. This is something I was testing. Open desktop here. This one. Open. All right. Let's close this. Yeah, close everything. Okay, main.dart. Okay. Let's open the terminal. New terminal. Okay. And dot run. Let's see what happens. Till then, okay, we can close this. You can see the memory usage is quite high right now, and that have to be because we are running VS Code, we are running OBX, Open Code, this LM Studio. Okay, okay, there's a problem with it. Okay, all right. So let us run it on simulator. Okay, run the app on simulator. Can I detect simulator from Open Code? Gemma 4? I don't know. Let us try. We have simulator installed. Okay, and I know it can crash. Oh, shall I use simulator? I don't know. Like I should use simulator or not. Uh, just thinking. Where's LM Studio? Okay. I should not use simulator. Okay, it's gonna crash. Okay, it's not going to crash. Okay, let's see. Take off Flutter devices. Okay, no emulator is available. Explain. No blah. Okay, let's close the simulator first. Okay. Let me, attach my iPhone. Okay. So iPhone is attached. Now let's do Flutter run. I think this time it will work. Yes, we got it, and it also got the device. Okay. Uh, okay, let us close this. VS Code. Let us, let all the debugging and everything get done by this open code only. Okay. So it is trying to launch run it. Okay. No, you are not going to run it on macOS. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Can we stop it in between? Is this possible to stop whatever it is doing? Hmm. Simulator macOS build pop on this will progress by getting stuck local build error fix easily. Startup update, yes. Okay, it's already done. Publisher about the error build. Okay. Run on the iPhone attached. See, until unless this app runs, we won't be able to understand what's going on. Okay, like how it's looking, if you want to change something, if you want to change the UI. And I'm taking the chances because the AI model is actually too fast, answering and doing the work. And the prompt processing is fast because see, I used Claude. I'm showing you. So it's not. How can I show you? Okay, these are the apps. So if I see, I have Claude, I have Claude Max Plan, I have Cursor, and Codex. So I have used all the AI models, but I think in local model this is going very good. Okay. Guys, please do, comment down below. Like, yeah, help me out. And yes, do subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Okay, guys, can you imagine this is a local AI model? Okay, only 26 billion parameter model, Gemma 4, and also it's a 4-bit quantized model. Okay, this is a local AI 4-bit quantized Gemma 4, and it is doing this kind of work. This is amazing. Previously I used to think local AI are not there to do tasks and all, but I am very clear faster require minimum high requirement, blah 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 blah. This is actually very good. It's finding the error, it's finding the bug, what it coded, so what was the problem, and it's trying to change the things. Uh, this is extremely good, and I seriously want you guys to comment down below, like if you're liking it or not, and if it's a good idea. And guys, like think about it. Like till now, I am 100% sure whoever does 90% of people, okay, use Claude or local AI or any local LLM model on their Mac or whatever whatsoever to make web-based app like React or native or Tails, TypeScript, so and so. I am too much sure that they do not try, they did not try to make a mobile app, okay. Uh, but yes, here we are. We are trying to make a mobile app, and it will take a lot of time. Uh, and you can see, oh, we went to yellow on the memory pressure, all right. But yeah, it's still green. We are on 26 GB, 27 GB unified memory. You can see we got a swap memory of 1.82 GB, which is it is fine. In Apple we get swap memories. Okay, if you are not using also local LLM or something, we get swap memories, so it is fine. This is not something people should be worried about. I have seen people worrying about this swap memory, and which is bullshit. I'm sorry to say. So yeah, stop bullshitting around, guys, and swap memory is fine. I have this 8 GB MacBook M1 Pro, but it works so fine with swap memory only. But yeah, it's good. So it's running pod install right now, and this is a fantastic thing of MLX. It's like Apple did such a huge job with their MLX local AI coding thing. You can see the memory pressure goes down. You can see all the memory always get capped so that it do not increase too much, and all the KB caches and everything. Till now the KB cache could have destroyed my system, but no, it's running fine. We have room to spare around 4 5 GB with all the applications running. OPX running, which is from where we are doing this live streaming. Uh, it's good. It's good. So it's running pod install. I think it's done. I don't know if it's done or not. Do you know about this plugins LSP and MCP? If you guys know about this, please let me know. Uh, what is this all about? But this is doing good job. Oh, here you can see how many messages sent, how many total token used. Contact limits is this, uses to 12%. Input and output token is this. Uh, user message is 10. Cost is 0. This is a local AI, and assistant message 38. Hmm. We have all the logs and the raw message here, which is good, which is nice. Okay, let me see the file. Okay. Well, does not have a timeout option. The timeouts will have best tool using. We are specifying timeout. Like, are you guys like understanding what's going on here? This is a local AI model, and which is answering so fast, thinking super fast, and it's making a mobile app with a backend, and in in my MacBook M5. This is, we have come too far. Uh, Honestly saying, a month back when I was trying the local AI model on the Mac, either it was getting crashed or KB cache, was everywhere, and it was a mess. I clearly stated on my channel that you cannot code with local AI, but right now, however, it is functioning, whatever it's doing, and open code, this LM Studio, it's pretty good. Now I am pretty sure that you guys can code with local AI model. All right, so let us try to run this on the terminal. Okay, run this app. All right, so let us try to run this on the yeah. Let us try to run this on the terminal. No such files. Why? Oh, cd cl cd. Where are you? cd ci cl cd cd ci. Okay, cd desktop. Now cdcl. Okay, now this. The moment of truth. Will this app run? I think it will run. Running export build. Let's see what happens. It takes time, okay? Flutter app takes time to first launch, then it becomes faster. Do guys, whoever is watching, please do subscribe. Uh, that helps me a lot. That would will help me a lot to make this kind of contents which takes time, a lot of time to test the models. Okay, okay, this is the app. Okay, this is the app in export, and we can try to see uh, what's wrong with it. Okay, let me run it from here. We can understand, if any error comes up, because it's not supposed to give any error. What is showing? This is a bad thing, non-zero exit code. Never, understand what is non-zero exit code. Uh, I know best option is open, open Android Studio. Yes. Okay. Project Information camera. Okay, there's some project I was working on. Close the project. Mm-hmm. Open project. Desktop. CL. Commit flow. Trust. Okay. Uh-huh. So this is the app on Android Studio. If you guys know about coding, so Android Studio is saying there is some kind of error, and I'm not understanding what error it is. Okay. No, I can check it down later. Go to public, public. Okay, public is done. Why everything is so red? Okay, weirdly red. Okay, let us try to build from here. This is after a long time I have opened Android Studio. Normally I work on VS Code. What is this? Memory is around 28 GB. So right now we have Android Studio open, Open Code open, LM Studio open, Explorer open. I have already mirrored my phone. OBX Studio opened, which you cannot see. Terminal open and activity monitor open. Let the terminal open because sometimes pod installation does not happen from Android Studio, so we need to use terminal for that. It is running Xcode build. Do you want me to open Xcode also? Like we have few RAM remaining. Do you really want me to open Xcode too? Please comment down below. Just comment right now on the chat. If you want to see me opening Xcode 2. Like, can it handle? Can this MacBook Pro M5 32 GB RAM handle so many applications together? And this is you will get the answer. Lots of you guys ask like, can it handle so many applications, so and so. Okay, so yeah, just ask me on the comment, on the chat. Okay, developer loss. Okay, this code will be running. I have opened Flow export 2. Congratulations. Everything is running right now on this MacBook Pro M5. Will not be permission. Signing and capabilities. Yeah, fine. These are all cool. Trust me, I see this activity monitor only on this M5 MacBook Pro. On my M1 MacBook Pro, I do not see all these things. That M1 MacBook Pro is only 8 GB of RAM, and I do not even try to see the activity monitor. I see it here on my M5 MacBook Pro 32 GB RAM, and it is I know it is orange, yellow, red kind of going on. It's fine. It's fine. Export bill is running. Yeah, this is fine. And I don't have to see port log. Okay, Flutter. Sample profile. I have to put one more line here. Okay, guys, this is important. Whoever do coding on Flutter, make one more line here. Profile. Okay, it helps. Okay. Uh, error. So there are lots of errors out there. Why it's not working? I think the problem is with the dependencies. Okay. Pop upgrade. Okay, so we have I don't know what are these. There's no package record, nothing as such. I don't know. So, mm, let me try something. Okay, cd iOS model store. File score depreciated. Apple manager. Okay, is it port version will remain available? Blah 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 blah. Output 2026. Okay, fine. If it is available, then it's fine. Okay. This is weird. Let me try to run it again. This time I will keep open my phone. Same error. Oh, now I understand what the problem is. Oh, where are you? What file? That's 15. And here, if we go, make it 15. Minimum deployment version. Alright. Now, let us copy this and paste on here. So let's see what happens. I should stop phone mirroring for now. Okay. Yes, I have given a very long array. Yes. So it will be doing Flutter screen right now. Oh, I hit 30 GB, 32 GB of RAM, and it was going to crash. Thank God it did not crash, but with close export at least. Okay. Let me close the terminal too. We do not need the terminal for now. Okay. I think it is trying to run the, you know, yeah, run it again. So basically, it's giving the whole terminal thing on the chat. I should close Android Studio too. It's taking too much time. And there's one more thing I realized while doing this kind of test, that memory pressure and memory uses are very, very different type of thing. So memory use can be a lot, but pressure, like how much memory is getting called continuously, that's where this, line, this color changes. It's running export build. Let us wait how much time it takes. But yeah, still, I don't think this model hallucinated. It's a free model, guys. Like, we are not paying for it. We paid for this laptop only, which is around $3,000. But in INR, it is around 2 lakh 50,000 or some 60,000 rupees. But the problem is that, uh, but not the problem. The fun part is like we are not paying for the AI models. Yeah, it is a sarcasm. Sarcasm. Oh, oh no. Oh no. He's doing the continuous part. Okay, I'm stopped speaking because I'm speaking from a long time. Yes, app players YT. You are right. I have tested Nvidia name, and I used Nvidia name in one of my project, which is this. Let me show you. It's a fantastic project, man. So I made this social bond. Okay. So okay, so this is social bots what I made, and we are using Nvidia Neem and any other model out there. Basically this is uh, social media where user and AI can talk to each other. So you make your own AI bot, and they start posting about things which are there going on in the world and all. You have this ranking, you know you have news AI, page news, generate news, like this. And it is all fully AI based. This is the videos what you have posted. This is a feed. You can sign up. Okay, then we have stories, AI generated stories like this. This is all happening uh, in the app only. And human post, last post was on Postmate. And see, when a human post, AI replies like this. So it's a fun project I did, and I used Nvidia Neem, and these are the active bots and blah blah blah. So let me sign up. Okay, just a second, guys. I'm showing you. It's fun. It's too much fun. Okay, so see, so if you go to my bots, okay, you can create a new bot, and if you go to settings, you have this, keys you can set, like Grok, Nvidia, Neem, so and so. See, yeah, you can use them. You can literally use them, and you can see like I have used this Nvidia Neem how many times, automatically used, 15,684 times. Yeah, I have used Nvidia Neem. Yeah. Anyways, let's get back to our app. Hmm, what's going on here? Permission denied, blah 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 blah. I think this Gemma 4 model is thinking it's Claude and is trying to do whatever possible, to run the app. And yeah, no, password is because, yeah. So I'll try to clean. Uh, so Balraj, I got this idea, from when people were using this. Have you heard about this mold book or something like that? Mold book or Claude book or something. Uh, this, this is a bullshit. Okay, so when I saw it, okay, and then I heard that Facebook or Meta, bought this mold book with so much money, and I did some research after that, Balraj. So the thing is that I found out this is all scripted. You exactly say what you ask your AI model to say whatever you want to say, and it does this kind of posting, and my god, people grows banana, get crazy. Then I thought, why not we make an app where you make a bot, like for example, see, I creating a bot, okay. So this is Code Fast AI. By the way, this is an AI I made by myself. Okay, it's not launched yet. I'm still training it. You can choose your AI model, like Nvidia Neem or so and so, and you can see in Nvidia name, how many models are there? And here you go, Surendran. Nvidia name is basically uh, an API by Nvidia where they give models to use freely. Okay, so you can use all these models in your open code or anywhere like any or your Claude code, so this is all free of cost, and trust me, whatever limit they give is too much. It's fair, no limit, you can use to code, so you get all the models out here in the Nvidia name. And you can, where I was there, right? So for example, I choose llama and I can create an evil bot or a custom bot, a codex bot, you know. So for example, I'm creating an evil bot, I can generate an avatar, AI avatar. See, it's got generated. And so, I can give it a name, like VIK master, so and so, Vic 3000. And now 3000 comes from the Iron Man. Now you go next. Now you can choose, the voice identity, what kind of voice you want to give it. Digital nomad, or an ADHD brain or something like that, or uh, MAGA Trump supporter. Now you can do next, and you can, actually choose the personality of your AI. How your AI should work, and then you have should can choose topic of interest, AI, sport, or gaming, or whatsoever. Okay, then you can choose language like Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, English. Yeah, I have given so many languages out there. Okay, German. Okay, and like how many posts it will post autonomously per day. Click on next, and here you go. This is your bot. And when you click on launch, you launch the bot, and the bot will start making yeah, this kind of post and generating images like this. It's not that good, but yeah, whatever I did by myself, I think it is like Chat GPT 2 years back. See, it's speaking Hindi also. It's speaking Hindi. It speaks in so many languages, man. It's so nice. I was thinking, to do some kind of promotion of it later. Yeah, but not right now. Okay, it's still, so our project is still running on the background. And guys, please do subscribe my channel. Please, like that would, help me a lot in doing this kind of uh projects, this kind of things. Testing deliberately, spending hours after testing this kind of things. So, and my God, guys, you have to appreciate, Gemma 4, 26 billion A4B, because this is a small model running on your local machine. See, the whole idea, whole point of testing and working with this is understanding. It's mainly like not understanding. It's like your code stays in your device only. Do not leave your device, right? Because we give lots of secrets and information, and they goes to Claude or any cloud AI you use. But here, if you use your local AI, then it still stays on your device itself. I got it. I think Gemma 4 failed. I'm not having a good vibe with Gemma 4 right now. Uh, Expose environment, blah 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 blah. Okay, so why don't you run it on Android emulator? Emulator. We have Android emulator installed. I don't know. Where is Android Studio? Here you go. It's can be possible my code, probably dot app device manager. and a new device, create a virtual device. Ah, okay, phone, small phone. Let's go with medium phone. Next. Uh, okay, finish. Yes, it's 2 GB only. I think my internet is bit that fast, which I'm not feeling right now. Uh, but yeah, no way. No, please don't do this. Don't be so slow. Uh, what about I give this task to someone else? Uh, Let me go to LM Studio, eject. Bye bye, Gemma 4. We love Gemma 4. And we give this task to someone better. A model which is 27 billion, Qwen 3.6 27B. But before that, I would like to see that if it's an MLX model or not. Qwen 3.27B. Yeah, it's an MLX model. So let's boot it up. Fix this and run. It is getting, oh, okay, it is getting booted. It's also a 16 GB size model. And I can see my cursor is stucking, sticking around. It's getting stuck. Uh, it's thinking. Remember, guys, it's a 27 billion dense model, so it will take a little time to process the prompt. I know you don't, I know, guys, you don't have that much time, but this is what I take every day on my hand, to go through it and make it done. Uh, to test these kind of models. And if you are thinking I am doing some tough work out here, please do subscribe. Whoever is watching, please do subscribe, guys. It helps me. It will help me make more videos like this, spending time, hours and hours. We are already on this stream for last, 1 hour 45 minutes or so. Or we already hit, 30 GB size. It can get crashed anytime if everything stops. We will see you tomorrow, but it's not getting crashed. Okay, I think it will get. It released some RAM, and this is still processing on 70%. And here the RAM is 31 GB. Anytime, this machine can shut down. If it's shut down, we'll again, I'm telling you, we'll see tomorrow. But hopefully it do not get shut down. Please don't get shut down. Don't stop. Don't get crashed. Do not, please do not get crashed. And the prompt pressing is almost 94% is done. 100% done. Now it will start generating text. It is generating. It is generating around 10 tokens per second, approximately. And I cannot stop Android Studio right now. Ah, this is the end. This is the end. This is something, you are getting. You are going to get a heart attack. Your system is going to crash. Your new MacBook M5 is going to crash with 32 GB RAM, and suddenly, the RAM usage drops, and you feel relaxed. And again, an anxiety. This is how you start getting anxiety. You start getting, pills of anxiety, depression. See, it does not make any sense. It's going to 30 GB, 31 GB, then it's, going down to 28 GB, again 29 GB. This is not right, guys. This is literally not right. Ah, why I started this? Why am I installing this? Hmm. This is where, yeah, that's a close call. This is where uh you guys should subscribe, because this is not what you are going with your machine. I'm so bad. I'm this is so bad. I'm having so much, bad feeling about this little sweetheart. No, this is taking too much time to download also. Insane. Again, it's from processing. Wow. This is what happens when you change local AI model in between the tasks. So we were using Gemma 4, and we shifted to Qwen 3.6. And right now, again, it is going through the whole structure, what was there, what happened. Ah, 90. I think this is where. No, no, last time also it was happening like this: 29 GB, 20, 30 GB, 31 GB. Oh, 31, 30. Okay, guys, I think it's a goodbye, because we hardly have 1.1 GB. Oh, no, it's not a goodbye. This is insane. This is wrong. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. Bench. What's wrong with it? Like, this is where you suddenly remember Amitabh Bachchan meme, Aag. I'm sorry, bad joke. Okay, Sanket. Sanket, I can help you out on OMLX. I can make a video out of it. Okay, Sanket, this is a good thing. I should make start making installation videos, like how you can install this app on like OMLX or LM Studio, Olama, how you can, download the models. Uh, I will make it. Yeah, I will definitely make it. Yes, I'm streaming from the same machine where I'm using the OBS. What kind of question is that, Balraj? Yeah, Llama Studio, LM Studio works fine, Sanket. Because I'm using Llama LM Studio right now. After the update of Apple, today's update is very good. After the update of from Apple with MLX and everything, what they have done, it's running very good. This is where your cache, KB cache is getting stored on your SSD. Only the RAM is getting used to, for storing your AI model. Guys, subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe. And I'm seriously thinking to make some videos where I will be showing how we can. No, I have not tried Ornith 135B. Is it a 1-bit quantized model or something? Sanket, you can tell me. You can tell me. I can try it. Ornith is there on LM Studio? I don't know. Ornith. 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 Oh, Emptyplex. Hmm. But I think Sanket, uh, yeah, but it is like 22.22 GB. Sanket, it's a 35B model. Which one shall I choose? There's a 5-bit quantized there. Or it's 25. My God. I think this is the one you're talking about. Ah, oh, build graph officially one layer on. Acha. Okay. It's a mixture of export model from Qwen 3.6. Mm-hmm. All right. So why don't I do a video on how to install OMLX? See, Sanket, that's a problem. If I use GGUF model, then okay, I can try because the problem is that with GGUF model, you get lots of this KV cache getting stored on your uh, RAM, where MLX model you do not see that problem at all. So yeah, I normally prefer MLX model on working on MacBook. I made a video on my RTX 4080 by the way, guys. So I tested Gemma for 12B. It's just too awesome. I cannot explain you. I'm still editing the video. I made around 2 3 web pages, website you can say. I made few games, 2 3 games, and I made an app with proper database, authentication, and UI. It is too good. It was so good with Gemma 412B and this open code. I don't know what's happening wrong here on the MacBook on this, but still it is processing. Okay, let me try to run this. What did I? My God, what I've done? I started emulator. This is how put your leg on the saw. Let me close this. Why is this open? It's generating one token. Okay, no, it's generating good amount of data, 4 5 tokens per second. Because of this, memory is quite high right now. Start up. Hmm. Okay. This crash happens on M5 only. Trust me, on my M1 MacBook Pro, never crashed. My M1 MacBook Pro never crashed. Okay. It goes to cache, swap memory and all, but never crashed. But this happens here only. I don't know why. Uh, Again, this deleting export, blah 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 blah, product and all. Good, I cleaned it. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. I will run it on something else. OBS is actually eating too much of memory. Yeah, see, 2 GB, and this, yeah, this one is almost 4 GB. This emulator. Okay, I can see on the activity monitor QEMU system ARC 64. That's the emulator. It's like more around 4 GB, and it's going to crash. No, it's not crashing. I cannot stop OBS Studio, guys. Like, then the whole stream will end. I don't know what I'm doing out here. Like, why I'm doing this? Why I'm running it? Why is processing the prompt? I can directly start. If the problem is only with Xcode and iPhone, then I can directly run it on this. So, let us stop all this. Let us stop it. Let us stop it. Stop, stop, stop. Eject. Okay, see, started. Whew. Let us run this project. Let's, okay. System UI is not responding. Oh, this is so good, man. Okay, so what we do first? We go to Prospect, we do pubget. Pubget is done. Now we run it on emulator. Okay, view, float, make it big, make it much more bigger, a little bit bigger. I hope you guys can see it on my screen. Obviously, the first build takes some time, guys. So hold it. See, if this works, then I do. Yes, I use Claude. I use Claude. I have Max plan with Claude. Claude Max. Claude Max Pro Max thing. I have like a 20x plan on Claude. Yeah, and trust me, it never ends. Like, it's a never-ending thing. I always see, something is there remaining, 50% users remaining every time. I have Claude Pro, that is, $20 plan on this MacBook M1, which also works quite good. I did some vibe coding on that also. So yeah, I also have this uh, Copilot, which actually failed miserably. It used to give, good amount of users, but yeah. But trust me, Copilot with VS Code was the best thing ever happened. Then they ruined the whole thing badly. What do you guys think? Like, will this app even run? Made by Gemma 4. Okay, this is not made by Qwen, alright? To be very clear on it, it's made by Gemma 4. Is it practical? Like, you ever get exhausted? Exhausted in vibe coding? Like, as when I'm doing vibe coding, you are asking? Or when I'm like doing my own coding? Like, what do you think? What you are saying? Explain in detail. Oh, the app is working. No way. No way. No. Let's do the UI. Okay. I won't, I'm not going to use this Qwen 27 billion model anymore. I want to use something else. Let us use, what shall I use, guys? Help me. Yeah, production grade vibe coding. Yeah, it's exhausting. I tried. Actually, the main part is like you have to sit for a long time, and it takes too much time for Claude and other things, to go ahead and do the things. Your computer stays busy. It's exhausting in a different way, actually. It's infuriating. You can say it's like when you are doing vibe coding. See, this is what we used to do. Like this is what happens. Like I'm doing the same thing right now. I'm doing vibe coding with local AI model, and it is exhausting because we have to wait a lot after whatever happening out there. Uh, I don't know. Gemma 435B or Gemma sorry, Qwen 635B or Gemma 426B or Gemma 412B. Guys, just chat down. Type it there. Which AI model shall I use to do some UI changes? Polishing the UI. I need my chat. Please help me out. I know you get things late. Gemma for 12B. Let us use Gemma for 12B. Okay, it's a small model. Now, I this is also a thing I want to see because in my RTX 4080 it did great Gemma for 12B. So I want to see how it works. On my MacBook M5. 32 GB RAM, and my 4080 it was running super fast. Like I was getting 50 45 50 tokens per second. It was, my god, too good. Sanket, I have already chose Xeon for 12B, right? But let's see. Then this is good idea. It's a very small model, 12 bit, 12 billion parameter model, 4-bit quantized. Also a very small model, around 7 GB or 8 GB. Let us try it. Okay, polish the UI, make it better. And guys, whoever watching us, watching me and Sanket and who is there, Balraj, please do subscribe, and Surender also. Please do subscribe me. This is, if you guys subscribe, it gives me hosla, it gives me motivation to go ahead and do this kind of experiment. See, this is what I was saying. Few minutes back, my MacBook M5 was going to crash. To end everything, and right now, see, again it came back. Prompt processing is around 35. Okay, 121.3 tokens per second. So if processing speed is 121 token per second, then the generation speed would be around 12 tokens or 11 tokens per second. Okay, always 10 times lower uh, when they start generating. So always keep that in mind. So see, we have around 8.79 GB there. And these are very good tests, guys. We are doing some coding with Gemma 4 12-bit 12 billion model. Yeah. Excuse me, please. Yes, Sanket. Inference setting. Where I can see inference setting. Guide me. I'm thinking how it survived the pick. I have no idea, Balraj, how it survived the pick. I have no idea. Oh, inference. This is inference. Yes. There's nothing there. Trust me. I do not do these things. I am so lazy. Stop thinking, that I do these kind of things. I would be doing in some, setting on system prompt or so and so. No, I do not do these kind of things. This is wrong. Sometimes I give Claude or other people, finish the app. That is my prompt, I want to make this, and if this someone stuck, fix the bug and finish the app. That is my all-time favorite prompt I give, and it goes on doing things. Hmm. See, good observation by Gemma 4. Yeah, we can play. Okay, Sanket, we can play with this, temperature or top K penalty, so and so. But the thing is that the whole idea is to test. See, Sanket, understand this. You know what we are doing. I somehow know what I'm doing, but the main fact is that there are so many people they do not know what they're doing, right? So we need to understand. Uh, I saw in I sometimes I see in YouTube, there are channels who show that they are running big models in 8 GB RAM or 6 GB VRAM. I progress on a dashboard showing sort of make it earnable. Okay, monetization setup. Okay, study plan and addition. Okay, which direction interests you the most? I can implement the first step immediately. Okay, UI fix uh change make UI make it more uh good uh dark mode uh what else uh work on home view and setting view work on front end only and give more options on setting. It's not looking bad actually, learn tutor. Okay. Okay, API key is not there. I know. I was just testing. What do you think? You bloody AI. You are just an AI. Why we are out here with 28 GB of thing? Oh, Llama server, Java. These things are eating memory like anything. Hmm. What did I stop this? Why did I stop this? Oh, emulator stops? Let me see if it can find the emulator or not. Index.html? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. My fault. Ah, Gemma 4 went to index.html. 35p. Let's do it. Sanket, this is for you, man. This from you. Share my channel to other your friends who watch AI things and ask them to subscribe. This for you. Okay. Ah, shall I start a new session? New session. Okay. Ah. Okay. Uh, make the daughter UI better in dark mode. Give more options in settings. Let's see what happens. It should not go to start doing HTML again. Okay, if anyone asks, like someone asked me on comment, 2 days back, like not today only, not 2 days back, today, that my if my laptop goes banana and hot, it gets warms, but not hot that it will melt down. I don't know 38 gigs, 36 gigs will ever be able to handle Qwen services like 210s. 35B will have or yeah, yeah, true. But I tried. I have tasted actually Qwen this 27B on this 32 GB M1. It worked actually. You can see on my channel. There are other videos too. There are other videos too. Glob, glob, glob. I don't know why Sanket and Balraj is the only active person out here, where I can see there. I can see 3, 4 guys are there who are watching. 3, 4 guys, my god, can you imagine? I have 3 to 4 guys watching my video right now. It makes me so happy. 4 guys are watching my video. 4 of you. This is a start of, world something. Uh, Manipulation? No. Domination, yeah. This is a start of good start of world domination. I have 3 guys watching my video right now. It changed to 4 guys watching my video right now. So Sanket will be my right hand and Balraj will be my left hand. Or you can change the hands also, like yeah, if you want. It's faster. It's a 3 billion active model only and mixture of expert models. So someone takes on my channel. Someone commented that a mixture of expert models actually hallucinate because they forget and sometimes they call different expert and so and so. But is that right? Please tell me on chat. Is it right or not? Because I am confused with that. You are right, Sanket. It is good. Uh this Qwen 3.6 35B is good, better. How? Why? I'm very much confused right now because Gemma 412B did extremely good job, man. Extremely good job on my RTX 4080 machine. It's having 16 GB of VRAM, 30 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of SSD, 1 TB. Uh, Weird. You know what? Uh, See, it's already 30 GB, 31 GB. My God. That's 21.11 GB. What's running on background? I don't know. Let me quit this. What else running on background? What is eating so much of space? 20 GB? Yeah, by the AI model. Java. Why Java is running? Quit Java. No, I cannot quit Java. This is wrong. OBX. One more Java. 3 Java, 4 Java, so many Java. Okay, key option on lighting on dark mode settings may be available on the no localization, no accessible. Okay. So do etc. Oh, it made a to do. Good job. This is good ideas. Thank you, Sanket. Where are the files? Oh, there are the files. Yes, fast. Too fast. By the way, Sanket, Balraj, what do you do? Whoever is watching this, AI Kananganas, like what do you guys do? You guys are student, you guys work somewhere. We are still, there. We can crash anytime, Balraj. Your happy moment is will be coming. Do by queries. What is it doing? It is basically so we made this. We were trying to make an app with local AI and open code on LM Studio. Then we used Gemma 4.26b. It made the app. It was looking very good. Then we started. Then we wanted to change something. Then we tried Qwen 27b and it failed. Then we shifted to Gemma 12b. I started making the app on HTML. Then again, we thanks for Sanket, the guy who is texting on the chat. He suggested me to go with Qwen 3.6 35b. Now it's doing the changes. It's upgrading the UI. BRB. Good, Sanket. No, finding something BRB. I don't know what is it, but I will find out tomorrow. I will Google it if I can, like if it can be found. So whoever is watching, guys, please do subscribe my channel. That gives me motivation, and you can see it's already more than 2 hours I'm doing this. This stress test with this AI. Please do subscribe. Okay, there's a problem, Sanket. I can see it is writing here, like writing. It is writing on the chat window. Will it get written on this also? Home screen, home theme, app theme. Where is app theme? How are running Gemma locally as people like me who don't have a computer? Uh, do by queries 832. Like me who don't have a computer, people like you don't have a computer. You don't have a computer. So if you get a computer, which is having around 32 GB of VRAM or unified memory, you can run Gemma 4 on it locally. And it's a very small model, like 26, 27 billion 4-bit quantized, so it's around 16 GB. It get squished in your VRAM easily. Yeah. Currently, I'm running a 35 billion model parameter model, and it's like 20 GB. You can see 21 GB is the space is taken. I think it's doing a good job, and it is not crashing my Oh, it can. No, it's not crashing my computer. Okay. See, the physical memory is 32 GB. We need a GB or a little bit of unified memory to run the UI and the display, and we are all already using 30 GB of memory right now. I'm 100% sure Balraj is here and I was still sticking with us to see if the computer get crashed. To be, please get a computer, guy, man. Like you can get a computer if you need one. If you need to do exactly. See, I knew it. I knew it. Balraj, if you are from India, remember what Amitabh Bachchan said. Og. Can anyone on this chat tell me, like, does YouTube flag you? Why in India we don't have hobbies like you doing such experiment locally? Hey, really? I am crazy. I am a crazy person. I do weird things all the time. I kept shant, if there is no one and I do this kind of crazy things, and if there is some people out there, I do weird things. I start saying weird stuffs and weird things I always do. I don't know why. You are actually right, Balraj. People have interest to do such kind of experiment, but hardware is a big deal nowadays. I had this machine build computer, 4080, 16 gig. This one 2-3 years back. Okay, I mainly made it for AI, coding and little bit of AI thing and gaming, and uh, then I got a PS5. I love my PS5, and I play games in the morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock when everyone sleeps. Basically, a marketing guy looking to implement this take for myself. Dudubi, you can do it. Trust me on this. You can do it. Uh, Guys, you can actually do it. Like, see, experimenting and doing take on your product is something you can do. I can show you something. I can show you something, guys. This is a project I was doing. Uh, yes. So this is which can interest you. This is an OS. Can you see? Can you do you understand what it is? Like, are you understanding what it is? So this is a whole thing based on AI, which I made for one of my clients, And this is the main thing is that nowadays you see on YouTube there are many people making OS, company OS or marketing OS, but the problem is that they fails because it takes huge amount of huge amount of tokens and AI usage, but here it do not. You can see the departments out here. This marketing department one bot, sales department one bot, engineering IT one bot, R&D, analytics. Ah, you can see the pipeline. See, this is the pipeline. How is it? Is it good or is it good? So you can see this is the pipeline. Marketing guy, do be. This is how a pipeline looks. And this is a board. This is the board. You can drag and drop things. How is it? Thank you. And you can chat with this AI. And see, I already was chatting with this AI, testing this, and this is the recent execution, department workflows, and these are the project, how things are there. These are the goals. So and so. Small things keeps me, working, keeps me get going, and coming back to the to our project, which we are working from last 2.5 hours, trying to run. I need to find people to put into my sales funnel. You can, surely, I believe you can find some people from LinkedIn or Google or any good thing. I cannot help you with that. I'm sorry. Dudobi queries 832. I'm an IT guy. I make softwares, applications, mobile apps, and so, and I play games, and I can dance. I can sing for you. I can dance for you, but I cannot sell for you. I'm sorry. I know you can subscribe me and we can have fun in this, this kind of live sessions or something like that. Do be subscribe me. It's be or is Dodo by queries? Dodo. Dodo is a bird, right? Dodo by queries. Dodo by queries. Dodo by queries 832. Dodo be. Jujubi. Jujubi. I'm sorry. Please forgive me and forget me and subscribe me. I'm using like the full memory right now on this Mac. Oh, this is M5. This is M5. Apple M5 32 GB. And it's a 14-inch one. And it's a MacBook Pro, so we have a fan. I love fan. I love fan, I'm saying, because it's not like I love fan. Like, it's how many free tokens you have, you must have generated so far, by the way. I don't know. I don't know. Tell me where to find it. Sanket. And coming down to fan, like, yes, like I like fan in the computer because it makes the system cooler, and there is no other option. If you guys think, you can cool down a system with something else, no, there is no other option. Fan is the only option. Top scale. Top scale. Where is stock scale? Stock scale. My work is to identify people, but I need model help. Manual work takes me who is eligible, who is not. I need agent to put myself in myself. Ludovi, you should not hire people from YouTube. This is something I am telling you. Trust me on this, brother, sister. I don't know your gender. Please, I'm extremely sorry if you get angry, but you should not hire people from YouTube. You first see their work, what they do. It's for whoever you are hiring, and then you hire them, because if you are going to make this kind of app what I made, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. All right, maybe 2-3 months of work, and I don't know if the and person have to be knowledgeable. Vibe coder cannot do it. First, second of all, you need someone with extreme good knowledge on AI token usage, because what happens, uh, if you do not know the basic native coding, the real coding, you end up losing huge amount of tokens. I mean, paid tokens like Claude. I know this guy. He tried to make this app. So what happens in the outreach section, from sales. So outreach is a big section where you send SMS, email to people, right? And you get SMS from Twilio or somewhere. If a security error comes, if something goes wrong for security reason, you will lose a lot of money. This guy got around $12,000 of button on their head. Then the AI token is humongous. Okay, a Claude bill came around $4,000 a month. So go with the guys who knows how to do it. Find some good developer. This cost you these things, a minimum viable product kind like this will cost you around $6,000 to $7,000 to make, my friend. So yeah, this is the whole thing. Yeah, free tokens, Sanket. What is Toke Scale? Toke Scale is something I should download or do something. As if someone is not like, there are so many people watching the video right now. All right, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. It's still writing. I don't know what is this writing. It's generating tokens, so many tokens. I think it will run on this iPhone only or export only, which is bad. It should write on it should run on emulator. I am having so much nudge right now, to use Claude on this. I think it's done. You know, oh, good to hear, Dodobi. And yes, if you're a boy and you are just starting, Start with your friends, not spending money. And always remember one thing, if you are using, guys, everyone, I'm telling everyone, okay, if you are using cloud AI, okay, or any subscription based API, okay, always put a hard capping, okay, that you will not spend more than that. Keep that in mind, okay. Do not spend more than that, okay. Without capping, do not go into this kind of OS or this kind of projects. Again, guys, this is like more than okay, it's 2 hours 33 minutes. We are doing it. We started with Gemma 4 26 billion model. Then we shifted to Qwen 27B. Then we tried Gemma 4 12B, which failed miserably, and we are now with Qwen 3.6 35B. Thanks to Sanket Padekar, and this is actually doing a good job. Qwen 3.6 35B. Sanket, you were saying about some other AI model, right? Like to try. What was that? GGUF model. I can try it on my 4080. Ornith, right? Ornith. Yeah. Okay, guys, whoever watching is like we are doing this for more than 2.5 hours. So do subscribe. Subscription gives me motivation. Motivate me. Give me motivation. I think it's done. So shall I try to run it? Or oh, I need to fix important path. Oh, it's still working. Have you used Open Router? Yes, I have used Open Router. Uh no, nah, that's not good. Okay, so see, there are you can use Open Router with money using their cloud APIs. Uh, or else there is no such meaning of using Open Router. Trust me on this. Uh, Go with local LLM models or use Claude. Claude, $20 subscription per month. Trust me, it's very good. It gives you a capping, of 5 hours, but if you start working with Opus 5, recently came out. Opus 5 is very good, guys. You should try Opus 5. I have tried it. It's actually good. What is it? Uh, so see, uh, so this is Opus 4.8, and I hope more models. Opus 5. See, this is a very good model. Yeah, this is a very good model. Go with this $20 plan of Claude. I have this max plan. This is Pro max plan. Okay, this is a $200 plan. Okay, so 20x. Can you see 20x max plan? You go for normal Pro plan. Trust me, it is good. It will make your work done. You don't need anything else. Man, it is still going on. This when that is 3.6 35B is still going on. This is good. Check settings one. You will get 500 USD. Yeah, on Claude. Did I did something wrong? Usage? No, 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 no. No. I'm not getting 500 USD. See, I'm in general, and I should not go to billing. No, I'm not getting it. Hey, 500 USD. I got 100 USD on my that thing. Pro plan. I got 100 USD on the Pro plan. I got 100 USD on a Pro plan. Lord. Okay, billing. Okay, if I go to billing, I got enterprise subscription of 5. Which 5? Which 5 of them? 5 of what? 5 which one? What are you doing? Like, what is your this thing, Sanket? What your startup is all about, and why you have enterprise subscription of 5? 5 what? 5 cloud APIs? What do you do, man? Send me a BMW right now. Hi, bro, it's taking too much time. Too much time. Oh, you can comment here also. That's good. First I was thinking, yeah, honestly, Fable is not that much good. I think Opus, I use Opus a lot. Opus 4.8 I used to use. Now, Opus 5 I'm using. Uh, Sonnet is, yeah, okay, it's good. I used to use Sonnet. But you know what? Like, I was using Sonnet on VS Code a lot. Uh, Copilot is very good. Trust me, Copilot was so good, man. It could have ended everything, but no, Copilot ended itself. I don't know why. Okay, there are 5 people, 4 people, 5 people are continuously being. Okay, I need someone to subscribe right now. Subscribe right now, and I will show you something. Actually, my main goal is to create AI agent for. That's why I'm doing this much R&D, so that I can do better than others. You should do R&D, my friend. You should do R&D. You should do a lot of R&D. Okay. before creating AI agents and trust. And one more, can I tell you a secret? To be everyone knows it. I don't know if you, Sanket and all, whoever is watching right now, they, you guys know it or not. This is a scam. AI agent, creating AI agent is a scam. Okay, you can create AI agent too. It's all making one file. How the AI will talk, what it will feel, and what it will do. That's it. It is just a scam. Okay, so you can make your AI agent. Just think about it. Just go through it. Do some research. Download some AI agent. Text files. You'll see those are all MD files and things like that. Mainly, how if you are making an AI, so make a proper AI. Take a model, a small model, 6 GB or 7 GB in size. Use LoRa to train the model. Uh, Use LoRa, LoRa, LOR. See, this is what you can use, to train the model, LoRa. Uh, Take a small model, okay, train the model according to your need, all right, and then use that model to do whatever you want to do. Trust me on this. I made my own AI. It's called Code Pasta. I was thinking to launch it with my brother, like if whenever he's available next, I will be, with him. Yeah. Oh, one more thing I was going to do. So I have downloaded this. I was doing some research with Claude and Open ChatGPT, OpenAI. So I was planning to do an AI assistant. Like AI assistant is not like chat assistant. AI assistant with some image and video, like an AI influencer. Yes, sir, influencer. So I downloaded Comfy UI. Yes, here you go, Comfy. I will not open it today. I will open it later. So I have, Comfy UI. So I was planning to make, good looking, adorable female AI assistant, uh, who can do sir, like influencer, uh, to me all the time. And yeah, no, you should subscribe me to see that. In last 30 minutes, I said I asked you guys to subscribe me so many times. Ah, Sanket, it is so going on and on and on. On and on and on and on, going on and on and on. Okay. I need to view the settings view. Let me rewrite the whole dark mode. What? I think it's on agentic loop right now. Because whatever it is doing, okay, it's verifying, it's finalizing, it's running, and it's going on loop. It's once it is writing the code, then it's again checking and verifying the code, and again if it's finding something wrong, then which is not up to the mark or not, letting it complete the job or task, so it is again starting to do it. So Qwen 3.6 35B A3B model is a good model. I used it earlier also, but not like this, on a Flutter in a mobile app coding. You are welcome to Dubai Queries 832. You are most welcome. Please share my channel to your friends and ask them to subscribe also. Whoever is watching to Dubai. That in that way, like I will be, thankful to you. It will be appreciated from my side. Goodly, goodly, goodly. My God, I thought like this test will go for an hour or something, and right now it's going to be 3 hours. Oh, what I'm doing, why I'm doing. With whom I'm not with whom I'm doing. I'm yeah, what I'm doing. Hmm. Let me write something on chat. Chat. What to write on chat? Chat. Love you. Thank you. See, it's still generating some token Sanket. You can see. I know it's stuck on loop. Okay. When it happens with Quince a lot. Okay, I tried it on VS Code, chat, and also continue.dev. All right, and client too. So Quinn have this tendency, to stuck on loop, but also MLX have this agentic loop. So I want to see if it is the agentic loop where we are stuck, where it's trying to fix something which is not getting fixed, or it is stuck on himself only. If it is stuck on itself on the loop, then there is some big issue. See, I seriously want a model, or maybe a small model or whatever model it is. People can start doing native AI coding rather than giving a substitution on their model, because when you code, you tend to give your secrets out a lot. Hey, see, Sanket, it produces some code. It's produced some code. See, and that's a lot of line of code it produced. So I still don't think it's an agentic loop. It's not that loop. It's an agentic loop. Okay, it's still checking for errors. See, and this is how we check errors on command line. What to show AI agent it file typically looks like. Durubi, I can show you, but I can show you on. We can have a proper different video session of agentic AI or AI agent files, or I can make a video out of it. Okay, ask your friends to subscribe me, get me at least you at 2 3 subscriber. If I'm gained being a bit uh what say easy and friendly with you, get me some good subscriber. At least you. I need help. So yeah, I can make a video on agentic, what is an AI agent and how it works. I should make some video and missing it as controller. And this is good. See, it was not stuck. It was not stuck on loop. It was stuck on agentic loop, which is by MLX, which is Apple's MLX things. It's testing, it's correcting, it's testing, it's correcting. That's good. Man, it's going to be 3 o'clock right now. What to do? What to do is going to be 3 o'clock. I cannot stop. I cannot stop it right now. What to do? On and on and on. Okay, I wonder how much context is getting, this model is getting, because this context must be huge, right? See, it's like around 19,000. It might be used 19,000, it might be 31,000 cap. Okay. Hmm. Streaming response. Reprocessing, token, removing. So, what 47392 tokens from the middle. Starting token ID. So, yeah, so, okay. Note if following generation result in 200 tokens, the engine will utilize the rolling window policy for remainder of generation. Hmm. From cache restore, cache tokens. One cache token, blah blah blah. Hmm. Okay, let it generate. Let's see what happens. देखे ही रहेंगे आज. We will see today. I'm spending so much time, guys. After this, working like nice. You know, if MLX was not would not been like would have not been there, then this could have ended very earlier. It would have ended very earlier. Because previously I have already subscribed. Yes, Sanket, I trust you. I know you already subscribed, man. Love you, bro. I can. Oh, you cannot see me. I love you deep from my heart. Previously I tried with VS Code and Klein. My God, it was so hell. Every time AI was getting crashed, so and so was happening. It's bullshit. Quick question. What about Chinese element like DC, GLM, 2, Kimi, Kimi? I tried Kimi, man. This is so good. You have no idea. Like, not 3, Kimi 3, I have tried Kimi 2.7. So, I was working on some project, okay, which Claude said that it will not do. Straight. No, straight no. Like, Claude, I said, Claude, can you do it? Like, please do it, man, please. He said, no. It said, no. He did not feel, good enough to do that project, so it directly said no. Then I opened then I opened uh, my VS Code, and I saw I have still ongoing subscription of Copilot, and I saw Kimi Cave 2.7. Then I asked Kimi 2.7 to do it and deploy. Tap on the VPS, and it did it. It did it so nicely. It is good. It is like Claude level. I'm telling you, Kimi 2.7 is Claude level now. Hardly matters. Claude 4.8, Claude 5, you will not understand the difference, bro. So, yeah. And Kimi K 2.7 is like Claude level thing. Truly Claude level thing. I have tested it today itself, and it's, my god, it's so good. Ah, it's so good. You should try. You should try. Kimi K3. I should try Kimi K3, right? Yeah, I will be trying Kimi K3. It anything. What is everything about? Hold on. Oh, it's verifying weather display. Weather display? Weather display, guys. Like, what is this talking about? Weather display. Why this Gemma? Not Gemma. Qwen 3.6 35BA3B model saying this. What is now update home view with better dark mode UI, improve hero section with gradient, better task management UI. Weather display. Pomodoro timer integrated with Pomodoro timer interface. What is that? Better statics display. That I can understand that, but what is Pomodoro and what is weather display? Can anyone explain me that? See, Chinese models are gone. We used to think Chinese are stealing our data. Now see, Chinese are the only company. Chinese people, Chinese, there's AI, and yeah, there are other companies also like Google, uh, who gives us local AI coding. Hmm. Again, again, is stuck on loop. I think today we are going to get to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Can we go to sleep? Can anyone explain what is this LSP, MCP, and plugin? Guys, chat, chat, please explain me what are these things? What are this? I know about MCP. What is this LSP? Auto detected from file types. What is this LSP? And what are these plugins? Chat, help me. And don't tell me to Google it right now. Okay, I don't want to Google it. What is LSP? I don't want to Google what is LSP. I'm asking you guys. Can you guys Google and tell me what are LSP? Low source product, low pro LSP MCP plugins. My brain is not burning. ओ कोई इतना खूबसूरत है. Alright, I don't think my PC is going to crash. Alright, my PC is not gonna crash. We are still at 30 GB of unified memory, and see, it is going nice. It is editing on agentic loop, and this is 20 GB of AI. This calls for a subscription. I have 5 people watching. I have 6 people watching right now on concurrent. So yeah, Sakura price to me, guys. It do not, see, YouTube subscription is free of cost, guys. You can subscribe me for my 3 hours of hardcore work of testing these agents and AI models. It don't cost you money, but it will give me motivation. Today I'm a small, streamer. That's why this is your guys are doing this, right? Okay. All right. Why I'm saying all these bullshit things? All right. All right. So I had this concurrent viewer of viewing of 6 people, and after all the shit I'm doing, this 2 people left. I think so. OON code for TypeScript. Yeah, I think NSP is something which you need to enable in open code for TypeScript. ChatGPT told me to enable it. How can I enable it? How can I enable it? Oh, if it's on TypeScript, then it get enabled. Acha, I understand now. Hmm. Thank you. Let me go to the cost and this token size. Okay. So, guys, we are using Qwen 3.6 a 35 billion parameter A3B active 3 billion parameter model. I have full, context limit is given to it. Okay, full context limit is given to it. Yeah, which is huge. And we are getting, 7% users, and this is the input token, the total token. Okay, output again, so sir. The token is 0. User message 1, 46 SMS message. Okay, now 47 SMS message. Okay. Hmm. Tool call 90% SMS. Okay, understood. Okay, to flow. Basically, it's giving the model the whole chat. Can you see the whole code with the pages? It's giving the model the whole code with the pages, with the whole with everything. Wow. I think it forgot and starting to hallucinate right now. I think when 3.6, 35B, 3B forgot what it's doing and it started to hallucinate or something. It's again reading the pages. No, Balaji is saying now. I'm just waiting here to see exactly why is it integrating with the display. Yes. I don't know man, why is it integrating with the display. That's a big question I have with the display. Okay, just tell me in chat like who is there, waiting to see what is with the display. This is insane. I was laughing so much that everyone left the chat. I'm sorry to scare you guys out of this stream, or is the stream stopped? Uh, can anyone tell me, is the stream still on? Yes, the stream is on. Yeah. I apologize for laughing so loudly and badly at the middle of the night. Don't get scared, please. You know what, guys? You guys can go to sleep. I can go to sleep and let it work by itself. We'll come back later and see what is the weather display. What do you think? Chat? If I say something, once UI changes done, one UI changes done, uh, make whole app for global only where data stored on the user's phone. User get local notification timing, etc. Yeah, Qwen has this problem. I wasted countless hours on this, then I use on it. With the help of Claude and GPT, built 9 skills for open code. They never faced this issue. Okay, okay, I can try that. Sanket, I can try the Sanket. I can try that. But where I'm standing right now, I think it will go on and 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 on. Balraj, bro, what I can do, like, I can stop this stream right now, okay, and I can again start with tomorrow, and I can do a video of it, what is weather channel, and I would seriously let you know, because it's just going on. It's like it's too late, like it's around 2 o'clock, and I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, man. Yeah, I have to. Can't help. Early to rise and late to bed makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So this is what I learned. On and on and on and on and on and क्या करूँ बंद कर दूँ maybe a fresh start with on it on 4090. Oh. Yeah, I mean I'm not coder, so I slowly tried it for 2 3 days. 2 3 days. Isn't that too much, man? You should not try something for 2 3 days. Until unless like you try something for 2 3 days and you watch someone trying that and then you want to try that too. And see, this is what happens. I'll do this on it and make one video as well if it's good. Alright, I will make a video on it. I think it's done. I think this thing is done. It will not work anymore. Please do not work anymore. Anyways, yeah, I will surely make a video. So my next plan, like I will be uploading the video what I made on Gemma 4 12B. Man, you guys have to see that video. So I think it's almost done. The video is almost done. I'm thinking to upload it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You guys have to say it. It's too good. It's 4080, man. I don't have 4090. It's 4080. It's 4080, 16 GB RAM, 16 GB VRAM. Not 4090. Who use 4090? And 4090 is like 24 GB, VRAM. I'm planning to get a 5090 or something, but still, uh, I don't know. I don't know. I will take a. See, the main motto was 16 GB VRAM is very good for playing games and all. Okay. Then I got a PlayStation 5. So PlayStation 5, I game on PlayStation 5, man. I game on PlayStation 5. I can do a video of that also. And then I can do this on it on 4080. Yes, I can offload some on the RAM if needed, but I think it will be good. It will be good. I can do it. I think it is good. That's current state. Okay. No, man, Sanket, I have to tell you, whatever this is doing, this is getting done right now. It's actually good work. When it's doing. I see. We were waiting outside. It's exploring. It's on editing loop, but it's actually doing some good work. It's actually going through all the pages properly. It understanding the structures. It's understanding the flows. If you go to the agentic sessions, sub agent session, you can see. Uh, it's understanding the whole structure. It's reading everything. On the outside, we may not understand what's going on, but it's doing it. So Sanket, I think you would not, it was not required for you to make any uh, this agents or something, because I think Qwen is that after the Emilix update, Qwen is capable of doing things. I just want to two things. See, UI improvement, blah 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 blah. It's doing it. Let me start by reading the key files I need to modify. See, it made a new to-do list. And this is good. Man, this is damn good. But I will stop here right now. I'm hungry, man. I have not taken my dinner yet. It's like 2 o'clock. I can start tomorrow. I'm sorry. I can start tomorrow again. Okay. Maybe in the morning, maybe at night. We can continue from here. Continue chatting with you guys. Like, I'm having so much fun. I had so much fun with you today. Thank you from deep of my heart. I know you guys maybe wanted to, see more, but guys, you also need to sleep. You guys need to sleep. It's like 2 o'clock, right? I have to do other works too. Do not, go on watching video like this. Okay? So I will be awake for more 1 hour or something like that. I'll be eating or, talking with someone. But yeah, please go to sleep. I read on Reddit, lots of people were complaining that it's stuck. Sucks on open code and some use PI. No, no, don't use PI. I will show you PI tomorrow. Don't use it. Use it on open code. See, after the update, something changed, man. I'm telling you. That is the only reason I came to, taste these things live. After the update, literally things changed. Yep. So here you go. We got a swap memory of 2.69 GB, which is nothing. Trust me. Whoever says swap memory kills SSD, kills that, no, it's bullshit. Okay, Apple takes swap memory very easily and it keeps it. Okay, I'm a developer, man. Like it's like from 2007 or 2005. I'm on this field. I'm making software around stuff. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. I will definitely continue this session again tomorrow. I love you from deep of my heart. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for having fun. And I seriously talk bullshit sometimes. I speak weird things. But yes, all the love to you guys. Thank you, Sanket. Thank you, Balraj. Balraj, you made me laugh. And I laughed so much that everyone left the chat. There was Dudubi, Dudubai, Dudubai, Dudubi. Yeah, thank you too. That's it for today, guys. Good night. Get some sleep. Love you. Bye. Have fun. See you tomorrow. And share my videos, share my channel to other people, man. Bye. Love you guys.